Howdy y'all, I'm Dave Terrazas. I'm a local chef here in San Antonio. I'm also a faculty member of the Art Institute of San Antonio, and I sit on the board with Gardopia Gardens. We've got a fantastic end-of-year fundraiser that we're working on right now to really improve the quality of our outdoor kitchen. It's a fantastic teaching kitchen. It's got some interesting components to it that we really want to build better so that we go into 2023 stronger and provide better programming that we already do. So it's a fantastic opportunity and such a joy to be able to harvest right out of a garden, right out of an urban setting garden, and be able to take this beautiful produce like this chard here and teach people how to use it properly. You know, people love to grow things, but then the next question they ask is, what do I do with it? So we'd love to teach about that, and it's so educational to teach about how to use it, the cultural origins for some of the recipes that we love, and even the nutritional quality of all this beautiful produce. In order to do that though, we have to have a good kitchen, good working kitchen. So what we're trying to do, we have a target of $7,500. We are trying to raise that so that we can modernize our equipment, make sure it's as safe as possible, make sure it works properly. We've got a table here that we're going to replace. We've got flooring that we're going to be working on. A beautiful cob oven that I absolutely adore. We love this. We put this through a lot of use, as you can see. And so we need to kind of rebuild our cob oven right here. We're gonna need a sink with water here, of course, based on the requirements for the city. And also it's just the right thing to do. And of course, you see around me, we've got a beautiful setting. It's fantastic to have nice fresh airflow here in the warm season. But when it gets cool like this, it'd be nice to have some shelter, some insulation, where we can have some drop-down panels that kind of protect this area, or like in windy environments. So that $7,500 goes a long way to give us the things that we really need to be able to do the job that we do as best as we can for our community. They come in from all over, not just in this community, but we certainly serve a lot of people who live in this area who just love being here just like we do. This is a community project, so we'd love to have the support of our community here in San Antonio. So if you'd like to help us, we'd love to have it. Go to gofundme.com/Gardopia Kitchen. You can find us, you can find the fundraiser and help us get to our target. Happy holidays from Gardopia, and we'll see you soon.